Tying sentences together, mastering correlative conjunctions. Hello, language learners. Today, we're delving into an exciting part of English grammar, correlative conjunctions. We'll not only learn about what they are, but we'll also practice combining sentences using these powerful grammatical tools. Get ready for some fun exercises that will sharpen your English skills. Correlative conjunctions are pairs of words that work together to coordinate words or groups of words in a sentence. Some common examples include either, neither, both and not only but also. Using correlative conjunctions correctly can help your English sentences flow more smoothly and sound more natural. Remember, when using correlative conjunctions, it's important to ensure parallel structure. That means the words or phrases following each part of the conjunction pair should have the same grammatical structure. Let's see this in an example. Correct. She not only plays the piano but also composes music. Incorrect. She not only plays the piano, but also she composes music. In the correct sentence, the structures following not only and but also are parallel. Verbs, plays, and composes. Now, let's practice combining sentences using correlative conjunctions. Exercise 1. Sentence 1. Tom likes coffee. Sentence 2. Tom does not like tea. Combined. Tom likes either coffee or tea. Exercise 2. Sentence 1. Mary is going to the library. Sentence 2. Mary is going to the supermarket. Combined. Mary is going both to the library and to the supermarket. Exercise 3. Sentence 1. Jack cannot sing. Sentence 2. Jack cannot dance. Combined. Jack can neither sing nor dance. Remember, the aim here is to create a single sentence that retains the meaning of the original two sentences using a correlative conjunction. Practice makes perfect. That's it for today, folks. We've learned about correlative conjunctions and practiced using them to combine sentences. With continued practice, these conjunctions will become a natural part of your English writing and speaking. Keep practicing, and you'll master this skill in no time. As always, remember that learning a language is a journey, so enjoy every step of it. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in our next lesson.